Everybody, so I thought we'd have a look at some sounds today because I know some of you have been finding them a little bit tricky. So I've written some down and I'm going to tell you what they sound like and how we might write them down on some paper. So the first sound that we're going to look at today, the first letter sound, is this one. I wonder if you can remember what sound this makes. That's right, it's a S, and it's a stretchy sound, so we're going to make that S for as long as possible. Let's do it together after 3. 1, 2, 3. S for snake. Can you think of any other S sounds or S words? Now, I'm going to write it with my finger first. I'm going to use my wiggly pointy finger. I wonder if you can get your wiggly pointy finger out too. And we're going to start here. And we're going to go slither down the snake. Should we do it again? Slither down the snake. Now, if you've got a pencil, you can have a go at writing it on some paper. Slither down the snake. See if you can do it by yourselves. I'm going to use my pointy finger and I'm going to point it and you're going to tell me how to write it. Ready? Amazing. So that's our S sound, our S letter. Our next one is, can you guess? This one. I wonder if you can say that one to me really loud now. 1, 2, 3. That's right, it's ah, ah, ah. Can you make a big mouth when you do it? Ah, ah, ah. And it's a bouncy sound, so we don't go ah, we're just going to go ah, ah, ah. Can we say it together? 1, 2, 3. Ah, ah, ah. Now we're going to get our wiggly pointy fingers and we're going to have a go at writing it. And for this one, we're going to start here. We're going to go around the apple and down the leaf. Around the apple and down the leaf. I'm going to get my pencil and I'm going to do it again. Around the apple and down the leaf. Your turn. Around the apple and down the leaf. Should we write it on the ceiling? Around the apple and down the leaf. And write it on your nose. Around the apple and down the leaf. Now you tell me to write it and I'll write it on here. Ready? Fantastic. Give yourself a fantastic. That's our sound. Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. Amazing. Ah, ah, amazing. Ah for apple. Can you think of any more ah, ah, ah words? Maybe your name begins with ah, or maybe there's an ah in your name. Our next sound is this one. I wonder if you can remember this one. Have a good think. Can you shout it to me? That's right, it's t. We're going to breathe through our teeth there. It's another bouncy one as well. To write this one, let's get our wiggly fingers. I'm going to show you how to do it first. We're going to go down the tower, across the tower. Down the tower, across the tower. Tower. Down the tower, across the tower. Get your pencils ready if you've got them. Down the tower, across the tower. T, t, t. Now you tell me how to write it and I'll write it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Terrific. T, t, t. Can you think of any more t, t, t words? So we've got Can you shout out what this one is? That's right, it's p, 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 p. Another bouncy sound. P, We're not going to say p, because it's not. It's p, 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 p. Feel your cheeks going as you say it. P, 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 p. Amazing. Pop some bubbles. P, 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 p. Fantastic. P, p, p. For pirate. Arr. We're going to go. Get your wiggly fingers ready. Around the pirate's face, up and down his plait. Around the pirate's face, up and down his plait. P, p, p. Let's do it with our pencils if you've got them. Around the pirate's face, up and down his plait. Now you tell me how to do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. P, p, p. Can you say that again? P, p, p. Amazing. I wonder what else begins with a p, p, p. S, ah, ah, ah. T, t, t. P, p, p. I wonder what the note is going to be. It's this one. Who can remember this one? That's right. It's an I. Another bouncy one. I for insect. We're going to go. Get your wiggly fingers ready. Down the insect's body and dot for his head. Down the insect's body and dot for his head. Let's get our pencils ready. Down the insect's body and dot for his head. You tell me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's right. It's an I for insect. Maybe you've got an I in your name. I've got an I at the end of my name. I wonder what else begins with an I. S, ah, ah, ah. T, t, t. Really stretch your mouth when you say that one. Our last one for today is this one. Who can remember this one? It's a stretchy one, so we're going to make it sound really long. It goes, Can you feel it in your nose when you say it? For net. We're going to go down, Noddy, up and over his net. Down, Noddy, up and over his net. Get your pencils ready. Down, Noddy, up and over his net. Now your turn. Tell me 1, 2, 3. Let's do it one more time all together. Down, Noddy, and over his net. That's how you write an Let me hear you say it. Well done, guys. Let's just go through our sounds really quickly. S, ah, ah, ah. T, t, t. P, p, p. I. I wonder if you can think of some more things that begin with an or that begin with any of these sounds. I wonder if you could write these sounds down and have a go at hiding them for your grown-ups around the house. Or I wonder if you can write these sounds down and find things that begin with these sounds in your house. Have a go and let me know. All right, bye.